I wish in some situations I didn't talk, and I let them die in their suspicions. God will plant in your heart what you have planted in the heart of others. Do not be sad. Maybe one day your heart will rejoice in things you wished for. Trust in God and do not despair. And live among the worships of the heart, trust, certainty, and good faith in God. Good people have signs by which they are known: the sincerity of the hadith, the performance of honesty, the fulfillment of the covenant, the lack of pride and pride, the mercy of the weak, and good manners. And what remains inside you is what is not forced, and what is not said. The heart misses a moment and the mind pays for it years. Unless his presence surprises you, his departure won't let you down. Beware of those who laugh at nothing and everything. O death, what more will you do to me than what those closest have done? There are no completely pure innocents, no perfect criminals. The expression a woman puts on her face is much more important than what she wears. O God, remove from my heart the worries and flood it with happiness. Know really that the birds, in their forms, they fall. Life has made us fall, unlike us, and forcing us to do a lot. The servant learns in the hours of affliction what he does not learn in the years of well-being. Two things that dangerous men love in playfulness, and he loves women because they are the most dangerous types of play. Brothers are a tree that is not measured by its length, but by the depth of its roots. I do not know when my eyes will see them, but what I know is here. They can't concentrate on their actions. Now for me they are blind. Whoever is serious prevails, and whoever is stingy is rejected, and the best people are those who give to those who do not hope for him.